Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Jeep Cherokee Sport 4-wheel drive, stock number B8613A. Only 15,000 miles in this one owner, local trade, billet silver metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Thus receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Cherokee seats 5, cloth interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items, rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional underfloor storage. And not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Sport has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read. Again, only 15,000 miles with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen display for radio. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, as well as compass display, easy to operate heating and air conditioning, select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway. All that with new tires. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8613A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.